Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that's perfect for any treasure box. Whether you're a teacher looking to reward students, a parent wanting to fill a birthday party piñata, or just someone who loves giving fun gifts, you're in for a treat. Introducing the Fidget Toys Set, a 125-pack sensory toy collection designed specifically for kids and adults alike. In a world where sensory stimulation can greatly benefit children, especially those with ADHD, autism, or anxiety, having a variety of sensory toys on hand is essential. This set not only entertains but also serves as a tool for relaxation and focus. Let's take a closer look at what makes this set so special. First off, this remarkable set includes 125 different sensory toys. Yes, you heard that right. You'll find a delightful assortment of items like 5 pop bubbles, 7 mochi squishies, 6 stretchy strings, and even 3 fidget spinners. And that's just the beginning. The variety is fantastic and ensures that there's something for everyone in this set. One of the standout features of this toy collection is its safety. Each toy is made from non-toxic materials that meet US toy safety standards, so you can have peace of mind while your kids play.